Delicious and nutritious barbecue chicken thighs grilled on the charcoal grill. It's the weekend, it's summertime, and I have a delicious recipe for a simple homemade marinade. This is delicious, it's simple, it's only a few ingredients, and it's going to 1000% level up your chicken. Oh, buddy, you guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Make sure you guys are liked and subscribed. Oh, buddy, let's get right into this one because it's simple and delicious. Now, I know everyone doesn't have this, but if you do, let's start with a microplane and some garlic. I do 3 cloves of garlic. If you don't have a microplane, just try and mince it as good as you can. Then we're going to go in with Dijon mustard, about a quarter cup, and then about a quarter cup of Halifax Honey Company's Stingin' Hot Honey. Next, I go in with a simple layer of Heavy Hands Hank, his Everything Barbecue Dry Rub, and then just a simple splash of vinegar. Now you can see here, I'm giving it a really good mix. At that point, then you go in with your oil. Now, I actually add the oil a couple of times there. Same thing over. Add a little bit of oil, give it a quick mix. Add a little bit of oil, give it a quick mix. Now, take your chicken thighs, throw them right in that mixture. That's our marinade. We're just going to let them soak in it. Throw a piece of tin foil over it, some saran wrap, whatever you want. Throw it in the fridge for a little bit, anywhere from an hour to overnight. Okay, I fired up my charcoal grill. I'm using a bed of Kingsford charcoal briquettes, and I've got them evenly distributed. Now, that high heat, I'm going skin side down with the chicken thigh right over it. And I'm paying attention. Once I see those grill marks looking good, I'm going to move them over and just kind of make sure I don't burn anything. Okay. As you can see here, we got char forming. That's a lot of flavor, but you do need to be cautious because flames can kick up. As you can see here, as that juice drips, it's going to fuel that fire. And that's exactly what we want. But you still need to pay attention. As you can see there, I got a little bit nervous from that flame, but it's fine, not the end of the world. Now, what we do, once it's all crisped up, we got that good looking skin exactly the way we want it. It still has quite a way to go. So we're going to move it over onto indirect heat. And that's going to be the perfect way to finish this off. Now, I got to remind you, we have a delicious marinade on this chicken. And you can see it is just beautiful on there. We have unbelievable char. And just by moving it over onto that indirect side on the barbecue, it's simply going to come up to temperature gently, not, burn that skin or burn the underside. It's still going to really, cook it through perfectly, but not do damage. It's like an air fryer, right? Inside that convection oven. That's what using a kettle grill is very close to. It's like an air fryer. But where it has the direct heat source, you just have to be cautious and make sure it's not too intense. So, like I said, be patient, monitor your skin, just move it over once it's got that good amount of char, and it's going to be fantastic. Now, guys, I'm serious. This ended up being such an unbelievable marinade. I'm going to do it all the time now. And you can play around with it too. You can add whatever barbecue seasoning you want. I went with savory, but you can totally go with sweet as well. It's all possible and delicious. And I highly recommend you give it a shot because it's simple. And this will work too on just a normal gas grill. You don't need charcoal. A gas grill will be perfectly fine for this. But man, oh man, that charcoal flavor really amped this up a level. Seriously, I was stoked. So pulled all this off when it was at about 180 degrees. You got to understand, I got some juicy chicken on hand and I threw a little bit of some greens on top. Nothing too special, but dude, this was just a 10 out of 10. And my final dinner ended up being this, a nice homemade cucumber salad and some cheesy bread. Simple, but delicious. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. When it comes to ribs, chicken, brisket, pulled pork, I know what I'm talking about, and I'm expanding way further than that. So make sure you're part of the community. Like and subscribe. Join all these fellow home cooks in our love of food. You guys know what's up. I'm on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure you hit me up there too. Take care, stay safe, and I hope you're having a great day filled with delicious marinated chicken.